Welcome to ROATAN, where the fame is found in the coral reefs. Come and join us on this adventure to explore the underwater tunnels created by lava and ancient reefs. We will squeeze through tight restrictions and narrow passages, taking you along this unforgettable show of lights and shades. The tropical island of ROATAN, located in the Caribbean 40 miles off the coast of Honduras. It is part of an archipelago that lies along the world's second largest barrier reef. At 40 miles long, ROATAN offers a beautiful combination of steep hills with wonderful views, secluded sandy coves, and picturesque coastal towns. Today we are in the west bay of the island, and we start our day by checking out the laid-back local market, which is quaint and filled with colorful boutique shops, restaurants, and a picture-perfect coastline. Even the dogs are cute here. Behind me is one of the most vibrant coral reefs of the planet, and we are here to explore the caverns and underwater tunnel systems created by these massive reefs. We are going specifically to one of my favorite dive spots, called Hole in the Wall, and you will see what I mean by that. For this, we're headed over to ROATAN Divers, where they are waiting for us. So let's go. We meet up with Suzanne, who owns and operates the dive shop. And without any delays, we load up and off we go. The short 10-minute boat ride is already spectacular. The water is so flat and clear we can even see the bottom from up here. But only from the air we can truly appreciate the underwater landscape. So it is time to gear up and jump in the water. A smashingly handsome blowfish welcomes us in this adventure. We ran into a hawksbill sea turtle, hanging out in the shallow section of the reef with some few friendly angelfish. The healthy reef of ROATAN are the quintessential underwater postcard. They create a unique habitat that hosts a breathtaking variety of marine life. Hundreds of different species of fish gather here every day to feast. The true grandeur of this site is found underneath. Breaking the flat monotony of the sandy bottom, these ancient coral formations arise like staggering monuments of haunting beauty. We squeeze through a tight restriction and come out to a magical wonderland where dancing lines put up a show. As we continue our exploration, we follow Molly, a dive master and expert who knows these passages like the palm of her hand. Soon we approach a large opening that leads into the darkness. As we make our way deeper, we enter a massive cavern recessed into a wall of prehistorical giant reefs, hence its name, the Hole in the Wall. The nature of the sea bottom had always been a mystery for humanity. For centuries we could only ponder on its mysteries. But now we can finally unveil its secrets and what lies behind that alluring darkness. words to describe this place. The magnificent prehistorical coral formations, shaped by the unyielding elements of the seas, come together here in ROATAN as a mystical marine labyrinth, where the shades of colors are contrasted by the everlasting warmth and life-infusing sunlight. As I leave the heart of this extraordinary dreamland, I can't help but appreciate how lucky I am to have witnessed today a tiny bit of this abundant, hidden beauty of our planet. A beauty that has been waiting patiently for millions of years to be discovered and relished by each and every one of us. So what do you think? Would you give this place a go? Personally, my trip to ROATAN was a success. Not only have I seen beautiful coral reef, but I also saw what was concealed underneath them, and I was able to discover a place of wonder I just didn't expect. Additionally, the marine life here in ROATAN is embedded in their culture. I mean, it is part of the people here, which is why it has become one of my very favorite places to visit. So this is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as we did, and please take this as a personal invitation to subscribe to our channel and to join us in our next exploration. Until then, ciao.